I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested in regions around the world. We set the cocoa beans and screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao powder. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique flavor.
여기 초콜릿 로스팅 baking तौरनिची roasting तौरे तर break तौरे the chocolate here do compressed air होरे do सबाई तौरे तो like this अदर milling
which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Lots of chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's.
Hershey's now.
Pressing also produces cocoa butter.
Chocolate powder. And milk and sugar. Look. Milk and sugar.
Every day, shopping takers want to see a milk from local farms and right outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate.
Shijo.
Fresh milk is part of the
The fresh milk. The milk लाए थे शिकायत दो. The milk here.
Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk means our
Now milk evaporated.
Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk.
Chocolate is making right now. Look.
We pasteurize it, and then blend in the perfect
See
amount
white
of
chocolate.
unsweetened
White chocolate.
This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to work to delicious
Cheese.
and we call it chocolate.
Chocolate. No. Kisses. Look. Look, chocolate खाई तो chocolate खाई तो see lots of chocolate. Look, chocolate. Oh my god. Look, chocolate do chocolate. चाहिए. Now dry, dry. Chocolate crown chocolate.
This brings out the chocolate's rich, creamy texture and points that wonderful smell.
Mix story do. Here. Now the Hershey.
Use our friend Kiss to explain the next step of the process.
The mix story chocolate
Mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers slowly refine the crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
예쁘게 찍으면 돼. 예쁘게 찍으면 우리 말해봐. 예쁘게 찍으면 돼. 어린게 쌀을
All of
썼다.
that fresh, delicious
Everybody
Hershey
says-
chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packed.
나도 전에 지금 할 수 있었다.
Milk chocolate special dark bar.
이거 예쁘게 찍어.
Reese's peanut butter cups. Personal favorite.
너도 초콜릿 시럽, 초콜릿 시럽.
So sweet.
Oh, lots of chocolate kisses. 너 kisses 썼다. 너 kisses 썼다. Bye bye kisses. 너 저한테 저 kisses 썼다 like this. 너 Hershey 썼다. 너도 저 Hershey chocolate 나도. जो पैकेट किसेस के पैकेट है lots of kisses big kisses big now done
That's so fun.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Smile. Smile, picture naman kare.